Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to automate AI-based Instagram ad copy for WooCommerce product. So I'm an owner of an online fashion apparel store and I manage my online store with the help of WooCommerce. I regularly launch new products in my business, and for each new launched products, I have to write the Instagram ad copy, and doing that manually is a very time consuming and hectic task. So to solve this problem, I have created an AI agent using Pabbly Connect. Now whenever a new product is going to be created on my WooCommerce store, automatically an AI agent is going to generate the Instagram ad copy for that product. As soon as the content is going to be generated, I want to create the systematic record of the product details as well as the ad copy generated. For that, I'm going to add in all the details in my Google Sheets. So now if you want to learn how to create this amazing AI agent for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to automate AI-based Instagram ad copy for WooCommerce products. So as an owner of a fashion apparel business, I use WooCommerce to manage my online store and product details. I use an AI agent that automatically generates creative and compelling Instagram ad copy for each new product created. Then I use Google Sheets to organize and keep track of all the AI generated ad copies in one place for easy access and future use. This AI agent streamlines my marketing workflow, saving me time and helping me launch effective ads faster. And I'm going to create this amazing AI agent using Pabbly Connect. Firstly, I'm going to show you how this AI agent works in real time. I'm going to create a new product in my WooCommerce store, and then we're going to check whether automatically an ad copy has been created and updated in my spreadsheet right here or not. Okay. So for that, firstly, we're going to create a new product in our WooCommerce store. For that, under WooCommerce, I'm going to go to this Add New Product option right here. Then it is asking for the new product details, which I'm going to write right over here. So these are the details. The product name is Pink Midi Dress. This is the description. Add a touch of charm on our pink midi dress. If I'm going to further scroll down, the price is of 1200. The original price is 3500. Okay. You can see I've added the image of the dress as well. Now I'm going to create this product. For that, I'm going to click on this publish button right over here. As I've done that over here, you can see it says product published. As now a new product has been created in my WooCommerce account, this is the link. I'm going to open it. You can see right over here, the new product has now been successfully created. Okay. So as now the new product is created, I'm going to open my Google Sheets. And yes, you can see automatically the Instagram ad copy has been added in my spreadsheet right here. Name is Pink Midi Dress. This is the description you can see right over here that I've added. Price is 1200 and this is the AI copy. Step into spring with our stunning pink midi dress. Elevate your style game with the enchanting piece that features a fitted bodice and a flared skirt, designed to flatter every figure. You can see right over here, this is the AI copy generated. Okay. So as now the Instagram ad copy has been generated by the AI and added in my Google Sheets automatically. This is how this AI agent is going to work. And we are going to create this amazing AI agent using Pabbly Connect. For that, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. Then Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, you have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I'm an existing user, so I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly Connect account. Then you can see the all Pabbly apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the products that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button. Firstly, we are going to name the workflow, which is going to be Automate AI-based Instagram ad copy for WooCommerce products. This is the name of my workflow. For the folder on the left side of my screen, these are the folders from which I'm going to select this AI agents folder. And then I'm going to simply click on this create button. A workflow is then created. You can see right over here. And there are two windows in front of you. One is the trigger window, other is the action window. So what is trigger and action? Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process, because our process depends on these two principles. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means what is action? Action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up a trigger step first, in which from a trigger application over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as WooCommerce. As soon as a new product is going to be created in my WooCommerce account, I want trigger should capture the response of that. That is why for my trigger application, I've selected it as WooCommerce. And for the trigger event over here, I'm going to select it as new product created. Okay. And then you can see Pabbly Connect has provided us with a webhook URL using which we are going to build the connection between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect by following the steps given here below in the help desk. Copy this URL and log into your WooCommerce account. Okay. After coming to your WooCommerce account over here, you can see under WooCommerce, we have this option settings. Click on this right over here. After coming to settings over here from the panel, go to this advanced section right over here. After coming to advanced in this page setup, you can find this option webhooks. Click on it. After coming to webhooks, I'm going to add a new webhook from here. Firstly, we're going to name the webhook right here. For the name, I'm going to write it as new product. Okay, this is the name of my webhook. For the status, I'm going to activate the webhook. Topic is going to be product created. So you can see this topic, product created, as I want to capture the response of the product created. Delivery URL is going to be the URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. And for the secret, you can enter the secret according to you. And for the API version, I'm going to select the latest one and save the webhook from here directly. You can see over here it says a webhook updated successfully. As now the webhook is successfully saved, I'm going to open my workflow and scroll down. You can see we have captured the response of the webhook ID. This means the webhook is now been successfully saved. In place of this webhook ID, I want to capture the response of the new product creation. So I'm going to recapture the response from here directly. It says waiting for webhook response. Now to check whether WooCommerce is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new product in my WooCommerce account. And after that, I'm going to check whether automatically the trigger over here captures the response of the new product being created or not. Okay. So now let us add a new product. For that, I'm going to go to this add new product section right over here. And now I'm going to add a new product in my WooCommerce account. Firstly, for the product name, I'm going to write it as orange summer dress. Okay, this is the product name. For the description, I'm going to write it as stay fresh, vibrant in our orange summer dress made from breathable cotton with relaxed fit and ruffled sleeves. You can see right away this is the description. Now after that over here, I'm going to add a tag. I want to add a tag of dress right over here. So I'm going to add that tag. I also want a tag of fashion. So I'm going to add that tag as well. And I'm going to add it in this product that I've created. For the regular price, I'm going to set the regular price as 5,000. And for the sale price, I'm going to write it as 2,200. It is taxable. So I'm going to write over here as tax. And the standard tax is going to be added. Okay, if you want, you can add the short description over here. If I'm going to further scroll down, I'm going to add a product right here. I'm going to upload a file from here. So this is the dress. I'm going to upload the file directly. Okay, you can see the dress has been uploaded. I'm going to add it to the gallery right here. And I'm going to set the product image also. This is the dress. I'm going to set the product image. Okay, so you can see the product image has been added right here. Now with that, I want to add an inventory also. So for the stock, let's suppose I have 500 pieces. So I'm going to write over here as 500 pieces. Okay, I'm going to select the category as clothing as well. So now you can see I have added in all the details while creating this product. Now I'm going to simply save this product. For that, I'm going to click on this publish button right over here. As I've done that, it says product publish. As now a new product has been created. If I'm going to preview this product right here, you can see this is the orange summer dress. Okay, so as now the new dress product has been created in my WooCommerce store, if I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down, and over here I'm going to wait for a few seconds. You can see the response has automatically been captured within few seconds. If I'm going to scroll down, you can see the tags fashion and dress I have added. You can see right over here. It says the status is published. The slug is orange summer dress. You can see right here. If I'm going to further scroll down, regular price is 5,000 and this was a sale price that was 2,200. If I'm going to scroll down, the name is orange summer dress. You can see right here. And the description is also right here. Stay fresh and vibrant into our orange summer dress. You can see this is the description that I've added. So as now the response has been captured over here in my trigger, this means that WooCommerce is connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step. As now we have the product, using the details of the product, I want to create the Instagram ad copy. For that, I'm going to use my AI agent, that is OpenAI. If you want to use any other AI agent, you can definitely do that according to your requirement. For the action step over here, I'm going to select it as OpenAI. An action event over here is going to be ChatGPT, and I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear on which click on add new connection. It is asking for the token. For that, click on this hyperlink given here below in the help desk right here. Then the API keys page is going to appear in front of you, on which click on this create button. Firstly, I'm going to name the key over here. That is going to be new product. Okay, this is the key name I want to give. Project is going to be default. Permission as all. I'm going to create the token from here. Token is generated, copied from here and pasted in this token field and click on this save button right here. The connection has now been done. After connecting, firstly, it is asking for the AI model for which I'm going to use GPT-4o Mini. But if you want to use any other AI models, you can definitely do that. Next, it is asking for the prompt. Prompt is the text with the help of which an AI agent is going to generate the content according to our requirement. In the prompt, you need to mention all the things that you want and do not want. So firstly, for the prompt over here, I'm going to write it as: you are an expert Instagram copywriter for a fashion apparel brand. Your job is to write short, catchy, and high converting Instagram ad copy that captures attention and encourages people to shop. Based on the product details I provide, generate an Instagram ad caption that includes a hook, a brief description, a subtitled ad to call action, use emojis, keep it under 200 words. Here is the product information. For the data of this field, what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the data, which is inserting data from the previous step. So I'm going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. How it works is that as soon as I'm going to select the field, the previous step is going to appear in front of you. As I'm going to click on it, the response that was captured in our previous step is going to appear in front of you, in which I have received the name of the product. You can see right here. And for this product, I want to generate the ad copy. So I'm going to select the data of the name of my product from my previous response. As now I've selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this map data. For the product description, I'm going to search for the description over here and map the data of the description. And it is asking for the price. So for the price, I'm going to map the data of the price right over here. Okay. So this is the price over here. I'm going to map the data of this price. Okay. So this is the entire prompt. Then I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. As I've done that, we have received a response in which we have received the message content, and this is the content generated by my AI agent, the Instagram ad copy. Brighten your summer wardrobe. This is the entire ad copy you can see right over here. This is the call to action. I've added all the details you can see right here. As now automatically this AI agent has generated the Instagram ad copy for my new product, I want to keep the record of this ad copy in my Google Sheets. Okay. With that, I also want to keep the record of the product details as well. For that, I'm going to add an action step in this workflow, in which from action application, I'm going to select it as Google Sheets. An action event over here is going to be add new row, and then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection. Then click on this sign in with Google button right here. It is asking for us to choose an account. In which account have we created this spreadsheet? So this is the account right here. I'm going to select it. After selecting it, is asking for the permission of this account. For that, I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is safe process and my data is perfectly safe with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this allow button right here. And as I've done that, you can see I've successfully authorized Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect. For the spreadsheet first, I'm going to select as product add content sheet, because this is the spreadsheet that I've created in which I'm going to create the record. Okay. For the sheet is going to be sheet 1. Product name over here. For the product name, I'm going to map the data of the name of my product. I'm going to search the name. This is the name. I'm going to map the data. For the description over here, I'm going to map the data of the description right here. For the price, I'm going to map the data of the price right over here of my product. This is the price. Over here, in front of the price, I'm going to add the Indian rupee sign, that is RS, that is rupees right over here, and then a slash and a dash. Okay, so this is the price. For the AI generated ad copy, I'm going to map the data of this content generated and simply click on the save and send test request button. I have done that. Now I've received a response, which is a positive response. So I'm going to open my spreadsheet, and yes, you can see right over here, the record is automatically created. The product name is orange summer dress. This is the description right over here. This is the price you can see, and this is the Instagram ad copy. Okay. So as now the record is created, this means we have successfully created this AI agent using Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, as soon as a new product is going to be created in my WooCommerce account, the trigger is going to capture the response of that. Using the product details, AI agent, that is OpenAI ChatGPT, is going to generate the Instagram ad copy data. As the content is going to be generated, I want to create the systematic record of the ad copy and the product details in my Google Sheets. For that, I've used this action step, that is Google Sheets add new row, in which I've added the data of the product as well as the Instagram generated ad copy. Okay. And in this manner, I have created this amazing AI agent to automate AI-based Instagram ad copy for WooCommerce products using Pabbly Connect. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.